friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making Persian cucumber salad. For this easy salad, you need 4 Persian cucumbers, 2 Roma tomatoes, a little bit of parsley, red onion, olive oil, lemon, and salt and pepper. So everything is to be chopped in small pieces. These Persian cucumbers, I washed them before making the videos, and same with tomatoes and parsley. You don't have to peel those Persian cucumbers, but if you'd like, of course you can. So totally up to you. I don't peel them. I'm just going to cut off the ends and chop the cucumber into very small pieces. And add chopped cucumber to the salad bowl. And repeat with the remaining cucumbers. And now chop the rest of the cucumbers, so let's add them to our salad. And now I'm going to chop the tomatoes the same way. Let's put it in a bowl and do the other tomato. And here's the second tomato. And now let's chop the parsley. And also, instead of parsley, you can use fresh mint. It's also great. And add it to the salad. And now we need to chop the onion. You don't need the whole onion, this is too big, so I'm going to use about 1/3 of an onion, and you can use as much onion as you like to taste, really. So let me peel it and then cut it into small pieces. And let's add it to the salad. So all salad ingredients are here, and now we just add the dressing and seasonings. So for the dressing, I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of olive oil and about a quarter of a lemon. So let me just whisk it together. So I'll use here 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And let me start with a quarter of a lemon. And again, it's to taste, and some lemons are juicier than others. So this is a juicy lemon, and a quarter of a lemon should be enough. And let me squeeze it. And now whisk it together. So here's olive oil and freshly squeezed lemon juice. And add it to the salad. And finally, we'll sprinkle it with salt and pepper to taste. So let's add salt and black pepper. And mix it, and the salad will be ready. Perfect. This looks amazing. So colorful, healthy, and refreshing. Perfect. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. So good. Crunchy cucumbers, tasty tomatoes, and parsley, and zesty onion. All this fresh dressing with freshly squeezed lemon juice and olive oil. It tastes as good as it looks. You will love this salad. And the best thing is actually good for you, super healthy, and super delicious. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!